Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix auto brightness not working in iOS 17. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, turn on auto brightness. So to turn on auto brightness, open settings. Now scroll down and click on accessibility. Now here click on display and text size, and here scroll down to the end and click on auto brightness. So after that the auto brightness will start working properly, but if it's still not working, then open settings again. Here click on general, then click on software update and check if your iPhone is updated to the latest version or not. So if your iPhone is not updated to the latest version, then update it, and after updating, open settings again and click on general. Then here scroll down to the end and click on transfer or reset iPhone, and then click on reset. Now here click on reset all settings, and after that enter your screen time passcode. So then click on reset all settings to confirm. So it will reset your all iPhone settings, but it will not delete any data from your iPhone. So after that restart your iPhone. So to restart, press and hold your power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe left this icon to restart your iPhone, and after restarting, auto brightness will start working properly. But if it's still not working, then you have turned on zoom filter by mistake. So to turn off, open settings, then click on display and click on accessibility. Then here click on zoom and then click on zoom filter, and from here click on none to turn off zoom filter. And after turning off zoom filter, the auto brightness will start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.